joining our Rotary Foundation.
Rotary International President elect Rotarian Shekhar Mehta, Rotary India Literacy Mission Chair Rotarian Kamal Sanghvi, Rotary India Literacy Mission Co-Chair Rotarian Dr. Mahesh Kotabagi, Zonal Coordinator Rotarian Zubain Amaria, District Governor Rotarian Harish Motwani, District Literacy Committee Chair Rotarian Swati Herkar, Rotarians, ladies and gentlemen. Today I have accepted honorary membership of Rotary Club of Bashi. So the Global Teacher Prize recognizes the work of excellent teachers across the world. What I did in last 10 or 11 years, I tried to enroll the tribal girls in the schools, and I have achieved 100% attendance of girls in my schools. At the same time, I could stop the teenage marriages, and right now the percentage of teenage marriages in my village is about 0%. So all these achievements I could achieve just because of the technology. I use technology in a meaningful way so that it could leads to the authentic learning. I have created QR coded textbook for my students. Those who are sitting at home, they are not going to schools, but still sitting at home, they can learn. So QR coded textbook help my students to learn whenever they want, learn with their own pace. It's like more personalized learning experience for my students. And that's why 90% of students in my classroom have achieved A+ grade before completing their school year. At the same time, I want my students to do better, to perform better, and try to support, try to help the community so that their innovations could matter. So we take them on a virtual tour. So without leaving a classroom, my students have traveled 140 countries in the world. They know the culture, the language of all these countries. So this is how my students have broadened their horizons. Now they are the global citizens. They don't think that they are limited to the India only. So the world is their universe, or world is their city. So to me, I think all these efforts being recognized, taken into consideration by the jury, and that's why I felt that this award been given to me. Just imagine students in Paritewadi have their friends in Japan, have their friends in Korea and in Pakistan as well. So what is actually helping my students? It actually broaden their horizons as well. They know the culture of other countries as well, but at the same time they are discussing, they are having their mutual understanding and collaboration with each other. So collaboration is happening in our classrooms. So what does it help my students? It actually gives them opportunity to learn with the peers, to understand how they think, and to try out the solutions they have tried out in their respective classrooms. So collaboration is helping my students to learn in a better way. Just imagine we now have interaction with Japanese students, and the Japanese students have, you know, their earthquake are always happening in the Japan. So my students understand, they discuss with them how they respond to the earthquake and natural calamities like floods and other things. Now my students know how to respond to the natural calamities. Just imagine if we couldn't have the interactions, so how do we learn that? So having connection, having network of like-minded peoples or the students or the companion in other countries is helping them to learn the topic or to understand the subject deeply. At the same time, they could try out new things, they could learn with their peers, and it is helping them to develop their 21st century skills like creativity, communication, critical thinking, and decision making. So networking is also important to me and for my students, because when you share, when you collaborate with each other, it actually gives you different aspects of any problems. So within limiting ourselves within the schools and having interaction with other students in the other countries is helping them to learn in much better way and perform better. So currently what I'm doing now, I'm making a plan of actions to improve the educational system in Maharashtra. I would more interested to work with state government of Maharashtra. So all the initiatives, all the projects that I carried out, implemented in my classroom, that could be scaled up across the state and across the India as well. So currently I'm doing plan of action for that. At the same time, I would like to make some changes in the policy and in the educational system of Maharashtra and the respective at the same time in India as well. So I am more thinking about the reforms, the policy reforms in terms of teachers' professional development and student-centric approach in the education system. So teachers should get opportunity to have their continuous programs, professional development opportunity should be given to them. At the same time, they could their work should be recognized. They should get the respect that they deserve. I think respecting teachers is ultimately helping education system to do or to perform better. So I think based on these reforms, I will be submitting my plan of actions to respective Education Minister of Maharashtra. At the same time, I'm getting some requests from other states, education department as well. So I'm just finding out how I can help the education system, not only in India, but not only in Maharashtra, sorry, but in India, other states are approaching. So I'm more open to everyone, those state governments or policymakers or the other organizations, those who are willing to use my mindset, knowledge and skills. I'm more open to them because ultimately we want this education system of India to become better and better. So it will be really great honor to me to support, to help the Rotary Literacy Mission. We can have mutual projects as well. We can collaborate. Whatever the projects I'm doing in the classrooms, I could scale up with the help of Rotary and Rotary clubs, and because Rotary has a wide network of teachers and Rotary clubs across the world. So that will be really great help for me as well. I can support in multitude of ways, like sharing my knowledge on your platform, helping teachers training program, so that my knowledge, skills and mindsets could be shared with the teachers with the help of Rotary's literacy mission. At the same time, I'm thinking to have one single platform for teachers where teachers could learn, they could get the professional developing opportunities, they could be completing the courses and finding out the new opportunities. So I'm more interested to develop that common platform for teachers with the support of Rotary. So that will be really great support for me as well, not only for me but for the teaching profession. So ultimately Rotary and me will be working for the betterment of teaching profession. So I'll be more than happy to support Teach program and the literacy mission of the Rotary as well, and at the same time joining hands with Rotary will ultimately help me to implement my ideas in the Rotary clubs and in the state as well. Yeah, so currently now I'm just enjoying that moment. I need some time to get back on track, but I'm just planning to have 10-year long plan of action for education system and the teachers and students and community as well. So currently I'll be I'm working on the Teachers Innovation Fund that could be utilized for the scaling of identifying the teachers across the India, those who are doing excellent job in their school. So I want these teachers could has to be recognized, their work should be recognized by the country and by the society. So I'm right now identifying such as teachers, those who are actually doing great job, because my future plan is that I want to have more and more Ranjit Display in India, so that I don't want to be the only Ranjit Display who won the Global Teacher Prize. I want more Indian teachers on the international platform getting the international recognitions. So I'll be more doing that work to lift up their job and lift up their performance and their innovation in the classroom, so that we could get the new winner in the next few years who is getting Global Teacher Prize or any other international recognition. I think I haven't donated that money, I actually shared that prize money.
Okay.
So sharing is ultimately growing. So when you share something, teachers are actually working for the outcomes, they don't work for the incomes. So when I get that $1 million, so I thought if I have to reach millions of students, those who needs excellent teachers, so Ranjit Display only is not will not be working for that. So I need a group, I need a team of excellent teachers, and I already have that team of top 10 teachers. So I could help if I could support their innovation, I could support their best practices in the schools. That will be really great help for them as well, because I feel the world is my classrooms. I want to reach out to more and more students in the world, those who actually needs teachers like me, and they need to change their lives. So if I have to fulfill my dream or to achieve my goals, I have to support other teachers. So that's why I decided to share that prize money, so that their work should be recognized. They will also get inspirations, and they could continue their excellent work in the classrooms.